My name is Ollie Nield, and I'm in key account sales.
How would you describe your experience thus far?
So far it's just been onboarding, because like I said, I'm a week in, but great, everyone's been really helpful. Everyone has mentioned how I can reach out to them for any questions, so really excited at this point.
What contributions do you believe JENSEN brings to the industry?
Been fortunate enough to have a lot of JENSEN equipment in plants before. I made the jump to this company knowing that I'm selling the best, so that's really important to me, and I think JENSEN is very aware of that, and that's a primary concern. But I think they've passed up opportunities before just because they didn't see how it was going to all mesh together, and they didn't want to sell something that they didn't fully think was going to be as optimal as the customer hoped it would be. They want it to be a partnership with their customers, and they're in it for the long game. The idea that their customer's success is their success, and vice versa.
How do you envision automation addressing the labor challenge?
As automation and AI grow, it's a great opportunity for the linen industry. It's really exciting what kind of new things we're gonna bring out that's gonna save people money and time, and then also energy and water, and all these things that we need to be really focused on for sustainability. I know it would be overwhelming if you said from 15 years ago to now how much water we had to wash one napkin, or how many people were involved in it, or how much electricity you had to run. Now you can, again, I'm not going to put the numbers out there because I don't know them and I don't want to misquote, but it's really exciting, and I think there's still so much more room to grow.
Where do you envision yourself in the next 5 to 10 years?
Being a brand new employee, it's hard to fathom where I'll be in 5 or 10 years. Again, I'm really excited about the opportunities with this company. Right now I'm kind of focused on what I'm doing next week. Hopefully in 5 years I will be doing a really good job, and if there's more opportunity down the line for me, then I would be very interested to take it.